Navigating dental implant costs, Europe versus Turkey. In recent years, the rising cost of dental care has led many patients to explore alternative options for treatments such as dental implants. One popular destination for affordable dental implant services is Turkey, where patients can receive high-quality care at a fraction of the cost compared to many European countries. In this article, we will compare the costs of dental implants in Europe and Turkey and discuss the factors that patients should consider when making their decision. Cost of dental implants in Europe. In Europe, the cost of dental implants can vary significantly depending on the country and the specific clinic. On average, a single dental implant in Europe can cost anywhere from A1,000 to A3,000. In countries like Germany, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom, the cost of dental implants is on the higher end of the spectrum due to the high cost of living and the quality of care offered. In addition to the cost of the implant itself, patients also need to consider the cost of additional procedures such as bone grafting, sinus lifts, and implant-supported dentures. These additional procedures can add thousands of euros to the total cost of treatment. Cost of dental implants in Turkey. Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism due to its affordable prices and high-quality care. In Turkey, the cost of a single dental implant can range from A500 to A1000, making it significantly cheaper than in many European countries. The lower cost of dental implants in Turkey is attributed to the lower cost of living and labor, as well as government incentives to attract foreign patients. Despite the lower cost, patients can still expect to receive the same level of care as they would in Europe. Many dental clinics in Turkey are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and experienced professionals who are trained in the latest techniques for dental implant surgery. Factors to consider when choosing a location for dental implants. When deciding between Europe and Turkey for dental implant treatment, there are several factors that patients should consider. 1. Cost. As mentioned earlier, the cost of dental implants in Turkey is significantly lower than in Europe. Patients can save thousands of euros by opting for treatment in Turkey, making it a more affordable option for those on a budget. 2. Quality of care. While the cost of dental implants may be lower in Turkey, patients can still expect to receive high-quality care. Many dental clinics in Turkey adhere to strict international standards for hygiene and safety, ensuring that patients receive the best possible treatment. 3. Travel and accommodation. Patients traveling to Turkey for dental implant treatment should also consider the cost of travel and accommodation. Many dental clinics in Turkey offer package deals that include transportation from the airport, accommodation, and transfers to and from the clinic. 4. Language barrier. Another factor to consider is the language barrier. While most dental professionals in Turkey speak English and other European languages, patients may feel more comfortable communicating with a dentist in their native language. In conclusion, when it comes to navigating dental implant costs, patients have the option to choose between Europe and Turkey. While the cost of dental implants in Europe may be higher, the quality of care is often excellent. On the other hand, Turkey offers affordable prices without compromising on quality. Ultimately, the decision comes down to personal preferences and budget constraints. As always, it is important for patients to do their research and choose a reputable dental clinic that meets their needs.